This is Sandy. She's a wife, a grandmother, and a retired nurse, and her trips to the dentist used to happen way too often.
Seemed like that I spent more time with the dentist than I did with my husband. Every time you go to the dentist, it's not a pleasant experience, especially for if you have to go very frequently.
Her visits weren't because of a bad toothache or cavity. It was much worse.
It was horrible. Horrible. It sure was. I discovered that I would wear down my teeth until they got really small and sharp, and then they'd break off at the root.
Sandy had broken and missing teeth. She had trouble eating and simply smiling.
When we would take photographs, I'd either not be in them or I would smile with my mouth closed.
She even had trouble just holding a conversation.
And I'd have to spell out something that I wanted to say to my family. I had a lot of trouble pronouncing words. And very frustrating. Or the worst part about it is that when you talk and you've got problems with your teeth, you spit on people.
Sandy was desperate. That's when she turned to Dr. Hannah.
Everybody that I talked with had praising Dr. Hannah at how great he could do and how skillful he was.
I've been doing this for about 20 years and placed thousands of implants and done thousands of procedures.
Dr. Hannah at Comprehensive Dental specializes in implants and full mouth reconstructions using all-on-4, full-on-5, and several other cutting-edge reconstructive techniques. He ensures every patient is at ease.
We have all kinds of sedation available, all the way from just laughing gas or nitrous oxide, all the way to putting you out with an IV sedation.
Was there any pain during this process?
No, not really. In fact, I don't even think I took the first pain pill. It healed up just perfectly, and they worked a very long time with me, trying to figure out the correct color, the correct size of my teeth. It's almost like an artist when they build your teeth in the lab. It's just unbelievable.
And just like artwork, no two pieces are alike.
We don't have like one-size-fits-all treatment. We individualize your treatment, and we make sure that what you're getting is what you need and what you want and what you expect. So we don't just finish the treatment and tell you, okay, you're done. We follow you for the life of the appliances.
Today, Sandy feels like a new woman, proud to show off her new smile.
Well, I feel more confident. It has helped with my self-image, given me confidence to pursue my passions. I can talk to anybody, and I'm extremely grateful that I had this done. I should have had it done years ago if I could have.
So much fun chatting with Sandy there. By the way, Comprehensive does have a special offer. The first 10 callers will receive a complimentary consultation, which is valued at $350.
To schedule that consultation, give them a call at 713-999-6223 or visit their website at thecdgofhouston.com.
Very nice. By the way, that office is like an art gallery.
It's beautiful.
And everyone was so nice. We loved our time there.